Good morning, everybody. It is Teresa with Tree Loves to Resale. Um, it is early morning here in the Midwest. It's raining and cold. I'm in Michigan. It's 40 degrees out. Yuck. So I thought I would do a real what the day looks like for me. I got up this morning. I took my daughter to school. We live in school of choice area, so I have to drive her and pick her up. I drop her off at 7:30, so I get up at 6:30. I wake her up, I get moving. Obviously, I get my coffee or whatever I'm drinking. I don't drink coffee every day. I'm on this iced coffee kick that I make here at home. And so I just thought I would show what it looks like, really what it looks like behind the scenes. I have already did my account maintenance work this morning, which for me includes I go in, check my messages, make sure everything is up and running on my Poshmark closet and my eBay store. I check sold, see what I have, just so I have an idea of what my shipping's going to be like. And then I also go in and do some relists. I'm working on relisting my entire eBay store, meaning I go to sell similars. I go to my active page, and then what ever is renewing that day, I end 50 and I sell similar and relist those. I end up doing that twice, so I do 100 relists a day. I've been doing that for quite some time. And then I go into my draft bank and look to see if I have any drafts that I can just publish. And if I do those. I don't really work from a draft bank, but if I have some left over from the day before, I will go ahead and list those. And then that concludes my what I call account maintenance for the day. And then I did some paperwork, looked at some bills, some personal stuff, all of that jazz, checked my email. And then now I am working on new inventory. I have this rack here that I've already prepped to take photos with. So I'm going to take photos with this stuff today and get it listed. This is all stuff, I list stuff in the back of my rack that needs either I need to do something with it, I need to iron it, I need to clean it, I need something that I need to do. So this is my pile, my work pile, and I take one or two every day, and whatever it is that I need to do, I do it. So I get that ready, and then now what I thought I would do is clean a few of my products that ooh, I turned on another light, that need to be cleaned. So I'm going to kind of walk through that. And this stuff here, these shoes, have also been photographed and prepped and are ready to be listed. So I have a pile, you can't see it, over to the side that I put everything that is ready to be listed. And then when I sit down, I will just work from my pile. Then I have a blue bag, an IKEA bag, and I put everything in the IKEA bag, and then I put it away. So that's kind of how my process works. And I just continue doing it. These shoes have already been cleaned, as you can see, and they need to be photographed. So I set them there. And then these Coach pieces I've picked up. I love selling and listing Coach. So I'm just going to kind of show you these pieces. This is a little Coach wallet. Sorry, I keep getting emails and texts. Little Coach wallet, a really cool vintage Coach purse that I paid $15 for at a Goodwill that I'm going to rehab, clean up, condition. And then this one, I thought this one was really cool. I paid, how much did I pay for this one? I think I paid 10. I paid 10 for this one. So I'm going to get these things cleaned up and listed. This is a shirt that I bought for my daughter that she needs to look at to see if she likes it. And I do try to keep this table is where I do my shipping and my photographing. I do try to keep it clean. And I'm going to use this leather cleaner today. It's a nice actual leather cleaner. And then I'm also going to probably use maybe another one. And then I did stop at a Goodwill yesterday. I work part-time for a marketing branding company, doing some branding and marketing for them. And so there's a Goodwill that's really close to one of the places that I have to visit frequently. And so I did run in there last night. I didn't pick up much, only a few things, but I'm going to go ahead and show you those and prep those items as I am doing my work. I thought this was a really cool dress. It's just a boutique brand. Skies are blue, size large, but I thought it was adorable. And I also kind of thought to myself, well, I could wear this maybe once as well, maybe even for Mother's Day if it's warm enough. Thought it was a really nice, cute little, like a fit and flare dress. Nice fabric. So I'm going to go ahead and get it listed or get it hung up and photographed today. And I bought 2 pairs of shoes. These really nice Talbot leather shoes were only $3, size 7. And they looked kind of like brand new. They just need to be cleaned. So I will do that. And then I bought these Vans, size 8. They looked basically brand new on the bottom. The thing that kind of interested me was this one insert was dirty. So I was like, I'm going to try to spot clean this. It had some dirt inside. I'm going to just take some Dawn dish soap and clean that because I thought that these were pretty nice. So I will do that. And I bought another Coach purse. It was on sale for half off, so it was $17. And this was a really cool one. It had kind of a cool bottom. I actually liked it. I was like, maybe I'll keep that. But I don't know. We'll see. We'll look up comps. I love selling Coach, rehabbing and selling Coach bags. I just enjoy them. So I'm going to get that ready. I'm going to clean all of that stuff. And then I did pick up a couple of belts. This one was $4. These were this was leather belt, size medium, made in India. I thought it was kind of a cool belt. So I will definitely get that photographed. Another little belt. This was a Kohl's belt. It looked brand new. It was only $2. Size large. Still has like the tag on it. It's just a plain black belt with some decorative accents on it. And then I picked up this swimsuit top. I do sell a lot of tankini tops. I find that they're really easy to list, easy to sell. They usually sell between $15 and $20, but they're usually only like $1.99, $2.99. People love to mix and match their tops and bottoms these days. And this was a really nice size. This was a size 14. So that's a really good size. And then lastly, I picked up this sweatshirt for myself. I love the gray. I love the camo, different color camos. I now have like, I don't know how many of these. But I liked this one. I thought it would be perfect for spring. It was a size large. So yes, I bought that for myself. $3. So there you have it. and nice. I got all this done. So I'm going to go ahead and go through these one time and kind of talk through them and show you what I do. Let me get the camera set. All right, I did change the location of the camera so you guys could see what I'm doing. I just go through this. This one is actually in pretty good condition. I kind of just put it on the fabric or the soft cloth that I use, but look at how beautiful. I do like to give them a condition and a clean, make sure they're wiped out. And I do, when I list them, I do say has been conditioned and wiped out. So people know that they're getting a clean purse. The leather looks so much better once you clean it. This is an actual really nice purse. Wipe off the hardware. So I wipe them all out. I'm going to go downstairs and get a couple of wet cloths or paper towels or something to wipe out the inside because I ran out of wipes. Usually just take like a disinfectant wipe to the insides. And so I pretty much do this, even though with just about every one, unless they're obviously brand new. I purposely do this because I want them to be clean and look nice. And they just look so much better once you wipe them out. I mean, just a little bit. This one's a really nice purse. This one is like spotless clean on the inside too. This is a really nice purse right here. Very little cleaning that took. Love this little wallet. It's got a little bit of wear on the inside, but I still think I can get 20-25 bucks for it. It's got a little bit of chipping on the inside. It's like a pebbled leather. Clean this. Wouldn't it be nice if I opened this up and there was like a $100 bill in here? The outside is in immaculate condition. And these I gotta clean. I am gonna just go ahead and wipe these down. They're leather. It's pretty shocking to me that these were only, see, they're stupid tag on there and mess my nails up and mess the shoe up. Will it come off? I have this little scrubber. When they write on them like this. Brings it right off. You know, why do they do that? Put their stupid sticker on it and then it ruins the... I mean, seriously. These are like in nice condition otherwise. All right. Now, this one is going to require a little bit of work, but that's okay. I'm going to go ahead and wipe it down once, let it dry, and then I will come back and do it again. This one is one of the vintage bags. These I love selling. All right. The inside is in really nice condition. Actually, it's really in good condition overall, really. I will probably come back and maybe do it one more time. So the only thing that I have left to do is I have to clean the inside of these vans and wipe them out, which I will just take them downstairs in my sink and do that. And I will let this dry. And then come back and finish it. But it already looks pretty nice. This is a nice purse. So there you have it. That is what I do. That is how I start my day. Wow, my hair. And I don't have any makeup on. I just came right to you guys. So that is kind of how I start my day. I am going to cut this video short right here. I am going to go take photos and do some drafts, do some listings, and check my shipping. I think I had a couple things I had to ship out today, and then I'm going to get those things shipped out. And that's my day, you guys. By then, it'll be time for me to go pick up my daughter from school. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, consider subscribing to my channel and giving me a thumbs up. I appreciate it, and I will have more videos coming to you soon. Thanks. Bye.